Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. Let me introduce myself and my team. My name is Nandar Fajar Sumirat and my team consists 7 persons from Indonesia. There are Mr. Muhammad Arif Ali, Mrs. Setia Rahayu, Mr. Bayu Pangestu, Mrs. Gustiana Mega Anggita, Mr. Sugiarto, and Ms. Fuada Nur Wikotul Nila. We are from Sports Science Department, Universitas Negeri Semarang, and Yang Chia En from Department of Physical Education, Ting Tung University of Science and Technology, Taiwan. In this presentation, I will discuss about delayed onset of muscle soreness and the activity of the immune system. So the human immune system has important and complex tests in human survival. Physical exercise has become necessity for every individual in this modern era. It is because to increase the immune system in the human body is one of physical exercise purposes. Unfortunately, besides having physical effect, acute effect exercise could bring undesirable effect. It is injury. Injury cause muscle trauma based on the type of trauma or muscle strain are classified into 3 grades. Grade 1 strain is characterized by microscopic damage to muscle fiber, which then result in pain and swelling. Muscle will respond to increased intensity of exercise with pain, and this type of pain is commonly considered delayed onset of muscle soreness or DOMS. Based on description above, the objective of this study are to describe process of delayed onset muscle soreness as part of physical exercise effect, to elaborate on the benefit of physical exercise, and to describe the process of immune system activation after physical exercise. Material. This is a narrative review. Data in this paper are secondary. Mainly original study within last 10 years of being published were considered on this paper. Additionally, other references were being used only to support the storyline in order to answer the research objective. Material were obtained from data station such as Google Scholar, PubMed, and ResearchGate, or etc. Method. There are 3 stages must be done sequentially in order to provide acceptable answer all related material from search. Analyze and synthesis stage. Profound and detailed examination on how data from chosen material could be constructed into data interpretation. And then conclusion drawing is the last stage to end the process of literature study and to state the novelty of study. DOM as acute effect of physical exercise. DOM is ultrastructural muscle damage, is often associated with increased pain, stiffness, swelling, and mechanical change in the joint. DOMS occur because of extra muscle contraction, and the people call it eccentric contraction. DOMS occur within 12 hours and then peaks within 24 to 72 hours after practice and takes 5 to 7 days to heal. Inflammation process occur underlying DOMS condition, the process involving leukocyte that is remarkable biomarker of DOMS. Monocytes are one of monocyte important the process of inflammatory. Mechanical damage common the pain sensation is free radical proliferation. Benefit of physical exercise on health. Moderate exercise can reduce the risk of chronic disease in human, including cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Furthermore, physical exercise also many benefit on mental health management, start from improving mental health, improving mood, neuroplasticity using the factor neurotrophic of the brain. Less of physical activity increased risk of health problem. Sport activities. Sport can influence the immune system in a different way. Neutrophil, macrophage, and natural killer are the type of the main cellular vulnerable fundamental of immune system change because of physical exercise. And then neutrophil capable of killing bacteria through the release of enzyme and through the secretion of reactive oxygen species. Leukocytes are human defense system or commonly called white blood cell. Leukocyte consists of neutrophil, lymphocyte, basophil, eosinophil, and monocyte. A study conducted by Leito showing the effect physical exercise increased the number of leukocytes. Subjects in the study were trained young men in a range 18 to 24 years old. From the data, we know that increase from before intervention and after intervention. In conclusion, sequence of DOM are the first mechanical damage, second inflammation and swelling, free radical proliferation. Physical exercise benefit both in physical health and mental health. The proper intensity and method used for physical exercise is a key to activate our immune system. Neutrophil, macrophage as a natural killer are the types of the main cellular vulnerable congenital of immune system change because of physical exercise. Please contact us by email on the paper if you want to ask about it. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. See you and thank you.